In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set transparent background image in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to make an image blend more cleanly into your slide, removing the background is a simple and very useful tool. This works especially well for product photos, logos, portraits, or any image where you want the main subject to stand out without a distracting backdrop. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and practical way so you can follow along easily. To begin, click the image you want to edit in your PowerPoint slide. This is important because PowerPoint only shows image editing tools when the picture is selected. Once you click the image, you should see the picture formatting options appear in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Next, click on Remove Background. PowerPoint will automatically try to detect the main subject of the image and remove everything around it. In many cases, the program does a decent job right away, but it may not always be perfect, especially if the subject blends into the background or if the image has a lot of detail. After that, click on Choose a Topic. This opens the area where you can refine what PowerPoint should focus on in the image. At this stage, take a moment to look carefully at the preview. Usually, the parts marked for removal are highlighted, and this helps you understand what PowerPoint is planning to keep and what it plans to delete. Now, mark areas to keep. This is the step that gives you more control over the final result. If PowerPoint accidentally removes part of your subject, such as an arm, hair, edge of an object, or another important detail, you can manually mark those sections so they stay visible. Try to be precise when marking the image and zoom in if needed so you can select small areas more accurately. This extra attention can make the final image look much cleaner and more professional. Finally, click Keep Changes. Once you do that, PowerPoint applies the background removal and leaves you with the edited image on your slide. At this point, the background should be transparent, allowing the subject to sit naturally on top of your presentation design. If the result doesn't look quite right the first time, don't worry. You can repeat the process and refine the selected areas until it looks the way you want. With just a few clicks, you can make your slides look more polished and visually appealing.